All right, so October is here. Spooky season for some, pumpkin spice everything for others. And for others, that may look like Han Solo season. But for me and my world, it's Cybersecurity Awareness Month. In our connected world, it's absolutely imperative that we stay protected wherever we go, whether that's in the enterprise or in the consumer space. So one of the things I've been kicking around for a while is this idea of snackable security. It's going to be 30 different sessions, quick, digestible content around cybersecurity, what it means, what it looks like, passwords, phishing, etc., all those things that you hear about. So my commitment to you is the first three things. One, no products, no branding, no pitching, no selling. Second, no acronym soup, making it easy to understand and to implement in your daily life. And third, all of these are from practical experiences over my last 12 years in cybersecurity. So check back in tomorrow, we'll have that first segment. For now, if you haven't changed your passwords in the last 6 months, now's the time to do it. That's tip number one. Have a good day.